Can I help you?
Yes, please.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for shoes.
Do you have this in my size?
Yes, we do.
Do you have another color?
Yes,
How much is this?
it's $300.
Is it expensive?
A little.
Is there any discount?
Yes, 10%.
Can you reduce the price?
I'll try.
I want a cheaper one.
Here it is.
Can I try this on?
Yes.
It fits well.
Good.
It's too small.
Try this size.
It's too big.
Try a smaller one.
I'll take this.
Okay.
I'm just looking.
Take your time.
What is the return policy?
7 days.
Can I exchange this?
Yes.
Do you accept UPI?
Yes.
Please pack this.
Sure.
Keep the bill.
Okay.
That's all.
Thank you.
Can I pay by card?
Yes.
Do you want a bag?
Yes, please.
The quality is good.
Thank you.
I'll come back later.
Sure.
Is this washable?
Yes.
Is it original?
Yes.
This looks nice.
Thank you.
I need a receipt.
Here you are.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like rice.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I do.
Is the food ready?
Yes.
Let's eat together.
Sure.
This smells good.
Thank you.
The food is delicious.
Thank you.
Is it too spicy?
No, it's fine.
Do you want more?
Yes, please.
I'm full.
Okay.
Shall I serve?
Yes.
Please pass the salt.
Here you go.
Drink some water.
Okay.
Try this dish.
Sure.
I like this food.
I'm glad.
I don't like oily food.
Okay.
Eat slowly.
Okay.
Don't waste food.
Okay.
Let's order food.
Sure.
I'll cook today.
Great.
The food is hot.
Yes.
It's too sweet.
Sorry.
Breakfast is ready.
Coming.
Lunch is ready.
Okay.
Dinner is ready.
Let's eat.
I need a spoon.
Here it is.
Wash your hands.
Okay.
Clear the table.
Sure.
That was tasty.
Thank you.
I enjoyed the meal.
Glad to hear.
Let's have tea.
Okay.
Make it less spicy.
Sure.
Add more water.
Okay.
The food is enough.
Good.
Thank you for the food.
You're welcome.
I'm not feeling well today.
I'm sorry to hear that.
What's the problem?
I have a headache.
How long have you felt this way?
Since yesterday.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a mild one.
Are you in pain?
Yes, a little.
Where does it hurt?
My stomach.
Did you take any medicine?
Yes, in the morning.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, I'm not.
Please lie down.
Okay.
You need some rest.
I understand.
Drink plenty of water.
I will.
Avoid oily food.
Okay.
Take this medicine twice a day.
All right.
Come back after 3 days.
Sure.
You will feel better soon.
Thank you, doctor.
Do you need a medical certificate?
Yes, please.
Should I take leave today?
Yes, you should.
Is it serious?
No, it's not.
Get some fresh air.
Okay.
Please check my blood pressure.
Sure. Your BP is normal.
That's good.
You need an X-ray.
Okay.
I feel dizzy.
Please sit down.
You should exercise daily.
I'll try.
Follow a healthy diet.
I will.
When can I return to work?
After 2 days.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Do you feel better now?
Yes, much better.
Don't skip meals.
I won't.
Take rest today.
Okay.
Are you sleeping well?
Not really.
Reduce screen time.
I will try.
Call me if the pain continues.
Sure.
I'm feeling much better now.
That's good to hear.
Thank you for your advice.
You're welcome. Hello. May I speak to Raul?
Speaking.
This is Ankit calling.
Hello, Ankit. Is this a good time to talk?
Yes, it is. I'm calling regarding work.
Okay.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can.
The line is not clear. I'll call again.
Please hold for a moment.
Sure.
I'll call you back later.
No problem. I missed your call.
That's okay.
Can I leave a message?
Yes, please.
Please call me when you're free.
I will.
I'll message you the details.
Okay.
Did you get my message?
Yes, I did.
Please check your WhatsApp.
Sure. I'm in a meeting right now.
Okay, talk later.
Can we talk in the evening?
Yes,
Sorry, wrong number.
that's all right.
The network is weak here.
I understand. Please speak a little slowly.
Sure.
Thank you for calling.
You're welcome.
Talk to you later.
Bye.
I'll update you soon.
All right.
Can you send the location?
Yes, I'll send it.
The call got disconnected.
Yes, it did.
Please save my number.
Done.
I'll share the contact.
Thanks.
Are you available now?
Yes, I am.
Please remind me later.
Sure, I'll wait for your call.
Okay, let's end the call now.
All right.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, sure.
Where's the nearest bus stop?
It's across the road.
How can I reach the metro station?
Go straight and turn right.
Is it far from here?
No, it's nearby.
Can I walk there?
Yes, you can.
How long will it take?
About 10 minutes.
Is this the correct way?
Yes, it is.
Take the first left.
Okay,
Turn right at the signal.
got it.
Go straight for 2 blocks.
All right.
It's next to the bank.
Okay.
It's opposite the mall.
I see.
You can't miss it.
Thank you.
Is there a hospital nearby?
Yes, there is.
Where is the washroom?
Over there.
Is this road safe?
Yes.
Should I take an auto?
That's better.
Which bus goes there?
Bus number 12.
Where should I get down?
At the last stop.
Is parking available?
Yes.
Follow this road.
Okay.
The office is on the 2nd floor.
Thank you.
Take the lift.
Sure.
Use the stairs.
Okay.
The entrance is closed.
Use the other gate.
Where's the exit?
Straight ahead.
Thank you for the directions.
You're welcome.
I think I'm lost.
Don't worry. Can you show me on the map?
Yes.
Is it open now?
Yes, it is.
What's the landmark?
Near the temple.
It's easy to find.
Great. I've reached the place.
Good.
That was helpful.
I'm glad.
Thanks again for your help.
Anytime.